REE TRAINER ADVENTURE videos, easy to access videos on YouTube for a fun visual adventure. Built-in audio adventures, excitement right out of the box so you can ride without a screen. Bluetooth speaker, play your own music and ride along to the beat. ADJUTABLE seating handlebars, fits kids of all sizes. ADJUTABLE resistance, always kid-friendly, but adjust the lever for an easy or challenging workout. Tilts for excitement, the Pelican bike safely tilts back and forth for more thrills. Adjustable mount for smart devices, mount and use your own smart device. Designed for safety, the coil spring mechanism, heavy-duty metal frame and textured grip handlebars for a safe ride. Ages 3 to 7 years. Max 70 pounds weight limit. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent and fun for young children. My granddaughter, who is 5 years old, put this bike on her wish list for Christmas. My husband and I thought it would not only be fun but a good way for her to get exercise. Her older sister has a Peloton exercise bike and she wanted to ride with her. It was the best gift ever. We were pleased with the quality and wonderful design. She rides it for 15 minutes or more each day.